Hi guys, welcome to Money Line Tips. I want to say a big congratulations to everyone that plays yesterday to us. Thank you for always staying tuned. Thank you for being there for us. We are here to give you value, and value is what you get. So, in order for you to pay us back, I want you to like this video. Do not watch this video without liking it. Just like it before you even start watching. That will help us to grow this channel. Okay guys, moving on. In today's two odds, we have a total of 3 matches and they are all in Belarus Liga. So let's get started. Our prediction today is in Belarus, as I said earlier, and prediction is all the 3 games in Belarus, we are giving them under 3.5 goals. So if you are interested, today is Saturday, June 10, and then we have a total of 25 odds for sale. So if you want to buy this odds, kindly go to the comment section and chat me up on WhatsApp. I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Chat me up if you are interested in this 25 odds. So let's move on. So as I said earlier, all the 3 games in Belarus Liga is under 3.5 goals, and that will give you a total of 2.33 odds for today. So guys, here is it, and then this is the booking code for this game. Bet responsibly. Thank you for staying tuned. Do not forget to leave a like. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, ring the notification